Physiology is a game of opposites. Artery versus vein, deoxygenated versus oxygenated, atria versus ventricles. Now, atria are receiving chambers. They receive blood from the body or the lungs. Ventricles are the opposite. They pump. They're pumping chambers, pumping blood to either the body or the lungs. Let's continue the game of opposites. Blood vessels carrying blood to the heart are called veins. Blood vessels carrying blood away from the heart are called arteries. It has nothing to do with the color. A vein carries blood to the heart and an artery carries blood away from the heart. Now we get into the color. Any blood vessel, vein or artery, that is blue is deoxygenated, is carrying deoxygenated blood. Any artery or vein that is red is carrying oxygenated blood. Here's another pair of terms that are opposite: systemic versus pulmonary. Systemic meaning body, pulmonary meaning lungs. So all blood vessels carrying blood to the body or from the body are said to be systemic blood vessels. They belong to the systemic circuit. All the blood vessels carrying blood to the lungs or from the lungs are said to be pulmonary. They will usually have the word pulmonary in front of them. They belong to the pulmonary circuit. We have yet another set of opposing terms. They have to do with the valves. On the right side we have the tricuspid valve, and on the left side we have the bicuspid valve. These valves are found between the atria and ventricles, and so we call them AV valves, short for atrioventricular valves. The other set of valves are the opposite. They are found at the entry of the pulmonary trunk and the aorta. The valve that is found at the entrance of the pulmonary trunk is called the pulmonary valve. The valve that is found at the entry of the aorta is the aortic valve. Both valves have semilunar shape or half-moon shape, and so they are called semilunar valves or SL valves for short. Both the aorta and the pulmonary trunk are the largest arteries in the body, and they are called the great arteries. They are opposite in terms of their color.